In this video, I'll show you how to set up contracts and e-signatures in Dubsado so you can protect your business and make onboarding effortless. Step 1. Create a contract template. In Dubsado, head to the templates and then the contract tab. And either upload your existing agreement or use one of Dubsado's built-in templates. Step 2. Customize your contract. Add your business terms, client details, and your project scope. You can also insert smart fields so names, dates, and payment info fill in automatically. Step 3. Enable e-signatures. Place signature fields whenever needed. Clients can sign digitally with one click. No printing or scanning required. Step 4. Attach contracts to workflows. Automate the process so that whenever the client accepts a proposal or fills out an inquiry form, the contract is sent instantly. Step 5. Secure and store. Once signed, Dubsado automatically saves the contract in the client's portal and your records, keeping everything safe and organized. And that's how you set up contracts and e-signatures in Dubsado. Professional, automated, and legally binding with zero hassle. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.